In 2021, the Aprilia Tuono V4 factory is a veritable performance machine, with new lines, new aerodynamics with integrated winglets, a MotoGP-style swing arm, advanced electronics and 175 mighty horsepower, all making it a standout both on the road and on the track. Powered by a 4-cylinder 65° V engine with unique characteristics, the narrow V architecture delivers improved weight distribution and allows for a more contained chassis. The maximum power of 175 horsepower at 11,350 revolutions per minute and top torque of 121 Nm at 9,000 revolutions per minute conform with Euro 5 requirements, further boosted by a new, lightweight exhaust. Also new is the Magneti Marelli 11MP ECU, with its data calculation capacity to create sophisticated algorithms for improved power and performance. His chassis, already recognized as a benchmark in efficiency and feeling, is further improved with the addition of a new lightweight aluminium swing arm with a lower reinforced brace. Designed to lower masses and increase stability, it was tested on Aprilia bikes that dominated the World SBK and further developed with MotoGP in mind. The famed Aprilia control package is more comprehensive than ever with the introduction of adjustable engine braking and a total of 6 riding modes, 3 each for both road and track. All the rider has to do is select their preferred setting, and functions including traction control, wheelie control, engine brake and ABS among others, are automatically calibrated to deliver the perfect riding experience. Distinctive design features include reduced surfaces and the typical fairing, which now houses a new triple configuration of LED lights and DRLs with the bending lights function.